Greetings, everybody. It is so good to be here. The discussion topic for this episode is if dogs could talk. What if dogs actually went to school and they took a class that taught them to speak human? And what if instead of Spanish, French, or Latin, etc., what if humans could take how to speak dog as an elective? Imagine if humans barked and then the dog could translate it from dog language to human language. Imagine if a dog standing in front of you, wagging its tail, said, "Honey, if you love me, you will smile." And then the human being would bark. Roof! Translation, "Honey, I love you, but I just can't smile." If a human being could speak dog, they would understand what one dog is saying when they bark at another dog. Translation, "Sniff my butt." And then we humans could bark back at them. Oof! Translation, "That's not nice." What if, after they learned to speak human, they gave speeches at gatherings in human language, and a human being who understood dog would bark like a dog the entire time to give the translation to dogs in the crowd who do not yet know how to speak human? When I was in middle school, I took advanced French. Not a single English word was to be spoken in that classroom. We all had to say everything in French to communicate with one another properly. What if there was an elective called dog talk? And what if not a single English or French or Spanish or Latin word was to be spoken in that classroom? All you'd be hearing is roof, 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 roof. What was that? What was that? That doesn't sound right. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. It's been real. Peace, y'all. I will see you next week. Good night, everybody.
Hold up.